get off, but I have to break it.
Can you tie this? I do not know.
Home is a place in my mind. I think about it now. I cannot find home is a place I left behind. I left it by choice. I cannot find my own. Sweet home.
We were doing everything to get our car ready to not be our car anymore. It's totally cleaned out, totally empty. Sarah vacuumed it, washed it. We're hoping we can get rid of it. We took it into the mechanic, and they suggested that we be looking for our next car. So we've been doing that this weekend. We should be able to just trade it in here, hopefully.
Under my finger. I can't.
But we were supposed to be in Branson, Missouri tonight, and we're paying already. You can't get it off? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Here, let me see.
I can't turn it back that way.
Yeah, that's okay, Zan. Well, you want to go one full time around your. Whoops.
And mine.
What are you gonna do with it? Get it, Ryan? That's for me. Yeah, let Ryan get some. Let Ryan get some. Working out. What are you up to?
Making your life easier. Oh, did you want to pay off your debt yet?
Kids are never too young to start teaching them that life starts with a college education and ends with having the most money when you die.
Oh, 160
Oh.
babies gives all.
Brandon Casping came up to find me. I was doing some vlog editing up here in the attic.
But I can just do that to get that.
You're close to right now. It's too close to see on There goes the bubble. Ah.
For the other side. I'll feed you now first.
Okay.